So ladies, tie your hair up and make sure you are wearing glasses or safety glasses. So for this project, I'm going to be using a table saw. For safety reasons, when you are doing a 45-degree angle, I do recommend using a miter saw. I just don't have one on hand, so I'm working with what I have available. This is the Mastercraft table saw. It runs for about $100. If you want your blade to move up and down, you turn the lever. So that would be down, this would be up. You want to make sure it's not overkill, but just a little higher than the wood that you are going to be working with. If you want to do an angled piece, which I'm going to do for this project, if it's unlocked, it will move side to side. The 45-degree angle is what I'm going for. If it's at 0, the blade will be at a 90-degree angle. So once you have the right angle, you spin it so it's locked in place. So this will not move once it is locked. This is the on and off button. If you're moving and getting your pieces ready, I do recommend unplugging your machine. It's an extra second and it just makes it so much safer. So now I'm going to take my drill and we're going to do pilot holes. The pilot holes make sure that when I do my screws, I don't split my wood. So now that we have it assembled, what we need to do is grab some gloves. I have a screwdriver to open my can, and we're going to stain it a weathered gray, which I've used before in the past. That will give it a little bit of a used rustic barn look.